Good morning, kids. Today we are going to learn about rainy season. What is this? Can you see a picture? Yes, it's rainy season. See, the boy is going with an umbrella, and the small baby is also wearing a raincoat and a cap. What will happen in the rain? You know something? See the Johnny. What he is telling? He says rain to go away. Why? Because he want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. You know this poem, everybody? Yes. Now we are going to see what we use in the rainy season. We see a raincoat, gumboots, and an umbrella.
So let's revise what we use in the rainy season. Yes, to protect ourselves, we use an umbrella, we use the gumboots, the raincoat, and even the hat.